Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Students, we are doing our chapter 8, Deepa Carmaker, and today we will start the bookwork. In bookwork, we are doing grammar part. See what we will learn in this grammar part. Read these sentences. Deepa lived in Agartala. Deepa had to land on her feet when she jumped. We use words like in, on, at, above and over to talk about where something is or where something happens. कि कोई चीज़ कहाँ है और कहाँ happen हो रही है. उसके लिए हम कौन से वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं? In, on, at, above and over. The horse jumps over the fence. The lamp hangs above the table. Now look at this table. Now we will study where we will use in, where we will use on, where we will use at and where we will use from and to. See, in we will use in months, seasons, year, morning, afternoon, evening. Where we have to given month's name, season's name and year, and morning, afternoon and evening. Like I visited Ooty in July. Flowers bloom in spring. I slept in the afternoon. I like to play in the evening. Here we have to given afternoon, evening. You can see, students, we will not use in when we have to give a night, only morning, afternoon and evening. And what we will use in night? Let's see. On. We will use on in days. I don't go to school on Saturday. We have to use on in all days, not only in Saturday, Monday to Saturdays. Saturday, Sunday also. At night. For night we will use at. We sometimes go for a walk at night. Used to show an exact time or a particular time. When we have to show an exact timing, then we will use at. The assembly starts at 8:30 a.m. She reached home at tea time. From to show the time when something starts and finishes. When we have to show where our work will be start and when our work will be stopped. So we will start from to. The museum is open from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. We use the words in, on, at, from and to show when something happens. हम in, on, at, from और to का यूज़ किसके लिए करेंगे? When something happens, कि कोई चीज़ कब हुई है. Let's see in the exercise for practice. Tick the correct answer. We played in the grass and got muddy stains all over our clothes. हमारे clothes की पूरी तरफ फैल गई. This show what something happened. Are you looking for your books? I have kept them table. मैंने उसे टेबल पर रखा था. When the thing is touched to something, we will use on the table. टेबल के अंदर तो कोई चीज़ नहीं घुस सकती ना. So we will take on the table. The third, we watched a film night. For night we will use at night. And for morning, afternoon and evening we will use in. Fourth, it is Kavita's birthday tomorrow. Let us call her in the morning and wish her. For morning we will use in. The fifth is how far is the post office from your house? तुम्हारे घर से ऑफिस कितनी दूर है? The starting point for we will use from. Sixth, Akshay lives in the flat above mine, यानी कि मेरे फ्लैट के ऊपर above. B, Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. You have to given 6 hull box and 6 sentences. The train goes from Trivandrum, Chennai. Train कहाँ से start हुई है? The starting point is Trivandrum. For Trivandrum we will use from. For Chennai we will use to. It's our starting point and it's our finishing point. Second, we will leave the market 8 p.m. When you have to given the exact timing, you will use at. We will leave the market at 8 p.m. Third, the child spilled the milk all over the floor. Fourth, please don't forget to clear the table and put the food in the fridge. Fridge के अंदर रखोगे ना? In the fridge. Fifth, grandma will be visiting us. Grandma हमसे मिलने कब आ रही है? For days we will use on Friday. I hope students you have understood the concept of in, on, at, from, above, over. Bye bye and have a nice day.